It seems like no matter where we go, there's one question we always get asked. Why do we mud ride? Well, that's somewhat of a tricky question. Mainly because we are all different, and there's all kind of reasons that we do it.
We like to go deep. We love the taste of mud.
We like to mix it up in the pit.
We are the kind of people that spend too much time in the swamp. The people that wear waders as a fashion statement. We are the people that listen to our music too loud. We get up early and we stay up late.
We like to get dirty.
We like to have fun.
We like it in the dark.
We like the challenge of muskeg.
We push ourselves.
We go all out.
We help each other out.
We're all the same team.
We are the Mudders.